The unexpected dinosaur encounter. It was a bright and sunny morning when Laura decided to take her three children, Emily, Jack, and Sophie, on an adventure filled trip to the countryside. They packed a picnic basket with delicious snacks, a blanket, and some toys, and set off in their trusty old minivan.
Their destination was Green Meadow, a serene and picturesque spot known for its rolling hills, lush greenery, and a sparkling stream that meandered through the landscape. The children were thrilled as they looked out the window, spotting birds, rabbits, and the occasional deer. Upon arrival, they found a perfect spot under a large oak tree and spread out their picnic blanket. The kids immediately began exploring the area, playing tag, and chasing butterflies. Laura watched them with a smile, feeling grateful for the beautiful day and the joy on her children's faces. As the afternoon sun climbed higher, the family decided to take a walk along the stream. They followed the water's edge, skipping stones and collecting colorful pebbles. The sound of the babbling brook and the rustling leaves created a peaceful symphony that made them feel as though they were in a different world. Suddenly, the ground began to tremble. At first, Laura thought it was an earthquake, but the tremors were accompanied by a low, thunderous roar. The children stopped in their tracks, their eyes wide with fear and curiosity. Before they could react, a gigantic dinosaur emerged from the forest, crashing through the trees and towering over them. It was a Tyrannosaurus rex, its massive jaws lined with razor-sharp teeth and its eyes gleaming with a predatory intensity. Laura's heart pounded in her chest as she quickly gathered her children, urging them to stay close and be as quiet as possible. They huddled together, barely daring to breathe. The T-Rex sniffed the air, its nostrils flaring as it caught their scent. It let out a deafening roar that echoed through the valley, causing birds to take flight in a frenzy. Laura knew they had to find shelter fast. She spotted a small cave nearby and led the children towards it, praying they would make it in time. Though their trip had taken an unexpected and frightening turn, it had also brought them closer together. They had faced a fearsome dinosaur and come out unscathed, a testament to their bravery and the unbreakable bond they shared as a family. After what felt like an eternity, the sounds outside began to fade. The T-Rex, losing interest, lumbered away in search of easier prey. Laura and the children waited a little longer to ensure the danger had passed before cautiously emerging from their hiding spot. The meadow was eerily silent, the only evidence of the dinosaur's presence being the broken trees and deep footprints in the ground. Laura quickly gathered their belongings, and they made their way back to the minivan, their adventure cut short by the terrifying encounter. As they drove home, the children were unusually quiet, each lost in their thoughts about the day's events. Laura knew they had experienced something extraordinary, something that would stay with them forever. She also realized how precious and fragile life was, vowing to cherish every moment with her beloved children. Though their trip had taken an unexpected and frightening turn, it had also brought them closer together. They had faced a fearsome dinosaur and come out unscathed, a testament to their bravery and the unbreakable bond they shared as a family.